When a builder combines the right vehicle and engine, the resulting engine swap is often something so unique and different that it transforms the whole vibe of the build. One of the most popular trends in engine swapping is to take new technology and drop it in an old frame, preserving the classic look while improving performance on basically all fronts. When automotive enthusiast Chris Karges got his hands on both a vintage 1957 Chevrolet 210 and an old diesel ambulance engine, he knew he had the opportunity to make something special. For the engine build, Karges enlisted the help of Hausmann's Diesel Performance, who painstakingly updated the old ambulance engine and crafted a turbocharged 6.6L LMM Duramax to drop in the car. It's our Diesel of the Week.
This video is brought to you by AMSOIL, the first in synthetics. Visit AMSOIL.com for more information.
Hey everyone, I'm Evan Laux for Engine Builder, and today we're breaking down a build by Hausmann's Diesel Performance, a turbocharged 6.6L LMM Duramax built for automotive enthusiast Chris Karges. Karges began by restoring the 57 Chevy 210 and updating its disheveled appearance, which was mainly taken care of by American legends, hot rods, and muscle cars. The 210 was customized to have a classy yet intimidating look. And to fit its style, Karges cleverly named it the Hell Air, which is a play on words of the Chevy 210's older brother, the historic Chevy Bel Air. It was apparent from the beginning that the car would need to be powerful to live up to its name. That's where Hausmann's Diesel Performance co-owners Mike and Jessica Hausmann come in. They opened their shop in Lawrence, New York in 2013, where they do anything from a quick oil change to a complete performance overhaul of any diesel truck. Mike will tell you aptly that he likes to build anything weird. And if it's not a little weird, it's probably not interesting. That was assumedly the mantra when Mike agreed to build a powerful diesel engine for the Hell Air. The team at Hausmann's Diesel Performance began by cleaning and assessing the old Duramax, which had over 400,000 miles on it. After it was baked, shot blasted, checked for cracks, and balanced on the bottom end, the block was sandblasted and painted before receiving a heat treatment coating in order to keep the heat at manageable levels along the engine bay. Early on, diamond pistons were selected with a 75,000 psi relief cut in them for the valves, as well as waggler rods in the bottom end. Everything else in the bottom end, as far as the main cap and rod bolts, are ARP. It took the team a while to settle on the right camshaft for what they were doing, but Hamilton eventually came through for them. When the time came to decide on a turbo system for the Duramax, a number of things needed to be considered. Not only was the car's vision starting to stray away from a super performance purpose, but there was little room left under the hood. Karges and Hausmann didn't want to opt for a cowl induction hood because they wanted to preserve the car's clean look, and that meant a compound turbo system was out of the question. A single fleece performance 68mm FMW Cheetah turbocharger delivered on what was needed. Relatively small 45% over fuel injectors from Lincoln Diesel were added as well before a clear vision for the car was finalized. The rest of the oiling system is completely stock other than small adjustments that were made to prevent the oil pan from sitting too low. Even with the single turbo and small injectors, the Hell Air easily belts out just over 600 horsepower and 1,100 pound-feet of torque at the rear wheels. That's more than enough power to carry Karges down the highway or along the streets of Las Vegas at last year's SEMA show, where he proudly displayed his creation. It's no question that Karges has one hell of a ride, and we hope to see more from him and Hausmann's Diesel Performance in the future. Well, that does it for this episode of Diesel of the Week. Thanks to our series sponsor, AMSOIL. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And remember, if you have a diesel engine you'd like to see featured, please email editor Greg Jones at gjones@babcocks.com. Thanks for watching.